In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link buttons to internal pages in Wix step by step. Whether you want to guide visitors to another page, improve navigation, or create a field-aided, smoother browsing experience on your website, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Wix editor and navigate to the page you want to edit. Once the editor loads, click anywhere on the canvas where you want to place your button. Make sure you choose a spot that's easy for visitors to notice and interact with. Next, go to the Add menu on the left-hand side of the editor. From here, select Button and drag your chosen button style onto the page. Once the button is added, click on it to open its settings. This is where you can customize the button text, color, size, and style so it matches your website's design perfectly. Now comes the most important part. With the button selected, click on the link option in the settings. Choose page or section. Then select the internal page or specific section you want the button to link to. Once you've made your selection, click Done to save the link. After that, rename the button text to clearly show what it does, such as Go to Footer or Contact Us. You can also resize the button, if needed, to improve visibility and make it easier for visitors to click. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to test your button. Click on Preview and make sure the button redirects correctly to the internal page or section you selected. This quick check helps avoid navigation issues later. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live. Your button is now fully linked and ready to help visitors move around your site more easily. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to link buttons to internal pages in Wix and improve your website's navigation effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.